What's up, guys? So I'm in the middle of culling and I guess organizing last year's negatives. I let them sit for a while and then eventually I go through and I kind of cull out the things I know I really don't like. But anyway, I was looking for a way to create like a really quick contact sheet because once I get everything set up and organized in my binder, then I'm going to do like a print session. But I wanted to make a contact sheet before that, and I came up with a real quick way that I can make a contact sheet with my phone and Photoshop Express in like less than 30 seconds. And I thought, this might be, I don't know, useful to somebody, so I'll make a video about it. So to create these contact sheets, it's pretty simple. You're going to need some kind of an app that will allow you to invert any images that you take with your phone. I'm going to use Adobe's Photoshop Express, which it is a free download. Just use whatever program you want. It doesn't matter. So you're going to need like a light table or something like a backlit source. If you don't have a light table, you can just put it up against a window. So take a picture with your phone, open it up in your preferred program, basically invert it and crop it and send it to your printer. So that's it, guys. There's your 30-second contact sheet hack. I've got stuff to do. I'm going to get ready to print, so I'm going to hop off of here. But yeah, I figured it might be helpful. So why not just, I don't know, hit record and put it out in the interwebs. But hope you guys are well, and we'll catch you later.